Now on the topic of budget earbuds, I have for you here a pair of budget earbuds. These are the Simifly True Wireless Earbuds Basic. I'm not sure if they've made an enhanced version, but these are the basic version and these cost £10. These are made by me, not by me myself, but these are made by the company called Me. Kind of reminds me of the Nintendo Mii characters. Maybe one of the Nintendo Mii characters did create this, I don't know. Looking at the image on the front of the box, it looks like that Me took the inspiration from the Galaxy Earbuds. But do they live up to the hype of the Galaxy Earbuds? Stay tuned till the end of the video, where I will be showing these, I will be testing these, and we will be looking at whether these are good or not so good. So if you just have a quick look around the box just to get some information regarding this item. At the back of the box there's quite a bit of information. At the top here it says earbuds. There's some information regarding the earbuds. The wireless range is 10 meters, battery capacity 43 milliamps, charging time approximately 1.5 hours, talk time approximately 3 hours, standby time approximately 150 hours. Charging case says here charging time approximately 2 hours, standby time approximately 4 months, battery capacity 300 milliamps. Package contents: so you get the Mi True Wireless Earbuds Basic, you get the charging case, you get the most important thing, the user manual, you get the warranty notice, and you get 3 types of ear tips. You get the small, medium and the large. It does say here supports all wireless enabled devices, so I assume it'll cover majority of devices. On the side of the box, both sides have got the same information. So it says here charging case. I'm assuming they're talking about you getting that charging case in the box. It says here Bluetooth, actually it says Bluetooth, T-I-I-T-H. There's a spelling error here, 5.2, minor issue, as long as they work, not too bothered. Independent wireless design, so no special tool needed. It's just here, so we just start peeling from here. Now that we've got the wrap off it, let's just have a quick look at the box. Feels cheap if I'm honest, but I'm not bothered. Let's go ahead with opening it. So here it is, guys. This is what we get. We get the charging case here. It's got some plastic on it. I'm just going to take it off. And if we open up the case, we have the earbuds in here, both of them. And if I'm honest, it feels as though it's got a good build to it. I'm not disappointed. This was one of the things that I was afraid of, that the build quality would be cheap, but no, I think it's good build quality, and I'm hoping that the earbuds themselves are good quality as well. So we just put that to the side for now. Let's look at what else we get in here. We get a charging cable. Didn't mention that on the outside of the box, but of course we would get this. And we also get a little pouch, so we can put the earbuds into. The pouch doesn't feel that good. It looks okay, but it doesn't feel good. It's got Simifly written on it, and the thing that was mentioned on the box, which is not in here, is the actual user manual. Another thing that I've noticed, that on the back of the box it does say that you get 3 size ear tips. I'm not seeing that here. I can only see that we've got 1 size, and I'm not even sure if this is going to fit my ears. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to connect it to a device so I can test the audio quality. It never had any charge, so I had to charge it. I charged it for about 20 minutes and it's come to about 30% on the charging case, and the earbuds themselves have come to 70%. So far not too bad. The other thing was, because there was no instruction manual, I didn't really know how to connect them, but it was simple, straightforward. Once you put your Bluetooth on, pull these out of the case, it automatically connects. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one into my ear and I'm going to leave one out and try to see if I can give you some sort of experience with the audio quality. So guys, I put one in my ear and I must say it is a bit uncomfortable. That's probably because they've not given all the sizes and maybe I needed a slightly bigger size, but it's not too bad if I'm honest. But now if I just put a video on, and the audio doesn't sound really bad, it's okay, although I can hear a bit of distortion in the background. If I just put it near the mic and try to see if you guys can experience anything. So as you can hear from there, I'm not sure how it feels, but the audio does sound a bit distorted. So that was just a video where there was just the audio and no music. Now I'm going to test the music to see what the bass is like. the bass is a bit off as well, if I'm honest. I can't really feel the bass as much. It doesn't sound very good, if I'm honest. So there you have it, guys. That was a look at some budget earphones. If you're asking me, my opinion is they're not worth it. I know it's only £10, but you could use that £10 towards a better quality earphones. Even if they're wired, you'll get something better. I know you could pick up some Mali earphones which are wired for £20, or the wireless ones for £40. So I think definitely recommend this. Even though they're £10, I would say no, just avoid it. Use that £10 towards the other ones. So that's the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so you're updated about any further videos which are released on my channel. Follow me on Twitter and on Instagram. The link will be in the description below. Thank you very much.